Unraveling Issue From, Mastering English Phrases. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might seem straightforward but can be quite tricky to use properly: issue from. Understanding phrases like this is key to mastering the subtleties of the English language. So let's dive in and make sense of it together. Issue from is a phrase that combines the verb issue with the preposition from. It's important to understand that issue, in this context, does not mean a problem or a topic of discussion, which are other common meanings of the word. Here, issue is a verb meaning to emerge, emanate, or originate. When we pair it with from, we are essentially saying that something is coming out or originating from a specific source. For example, if we say, "A new policy will issue from the meeting," we're indicating that the meeting will produce a new policy. Let's look at some examples to understand how issue from is used in different sentences. 1. The commands issue from the headquarters. This means the commands originate or are given by the headquarters. 2. A sweet scent issued from the oven as the baker opened it. Here, the phrase describes a scent emerging from the oven. 3. Loud cheers issued from the crowd when the winner was announced. This shows us that the cheers came from the crowd. In each of these cases, the phrase issue from helps to clearly establish where something is coming from. When using issue from, remember these tips. Ensure that what issues is usually intangible, like a sound, a policy, or an order. Issue from can often be replaced with come from or emerge from, without changing the meaning significantly. It is less commonly used in everyday conversation and more often found in formal or literary contexts. And that's a wrap on issue from. Remember, phrases like this can add depth to your English, making it richer and more precise. Keep practicing, and soon, using phrases like issue from will become second nature. We hope this video has issued from us to you as a helpful resource. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.